Welcome to the instructions video for the pounds per minute interactive calculator. This tool helps you convert mass flow rates between different units instantly. Whether you're sizing pumps, designing HVAC systems, or working on process engineering projects, this calculator makes unit conversion quick and easy. To use this calculator, start by entering your mass flow rate in pounds per minute in the input field. For our example, let's enter 50 pounds per minute, which represents a typical industrial pump flow rate. Once you enter this value, click the Calculate button. The calculator will instantly display your flow rate converted to multiple units, including kilograms per hour, kilograms per minute, grams per second, and other common engineering units. This is particularly useful when working with international specifications or converting between imperial and metric systems. The results update automatically, giving you all the conversions you need in one place. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.